Ash, his dad, his mom Delia Ketchum, and his wife Serena. Let's see all these characters' Pokemon team, starting with Ash's mother, Delia Ketchum. Happiny is the first Pokemon she have. This is a really good Pokemon which can help humans and even help Pokemons by healing them. Next, she have a cute Audino. This is such a cute and a strong Pokemon. The next Pokemon she have in her team is a strong flying and bug type Pokemon, Butterfree. This is such a cute Pokemon, guys. The fourth Pokemon of her team helps her a lot during household chores, and it is Mr. Mime. Next, she have a strong fire type Pokemon in her team who acts like a guardian or protector, and it is Arcanine. The next and the sixth Pokemon of her team, which is the last Pokemon of her team, is going to be an Ultra Beast, and it is Poipole. Now guys, it has been time for evolution. So Happiny will evolve into its next evolution stage, Chansey, which will further evolve into its third and final evolution stage, which is a strong, powerful Blissey. For Mega Evolution and Gigantamax, the Pokemon which is going to Mega Evolve is Mega Audino, and the Pokemon which is going to Gigantamax is no other than Gigantamax Butterfree. So guys, we are done with Ash's mother Delia Ketchum's team, and now we are moving ahead with the next character. Ash Ketchum's wife Serena. Who else could be his wife? Guys, tell me in comment section. The first Pokemon she have is a cute Poplio. Next, she have a cute as well as a powerful Pokemon Gardevoir in her team. Guys, if you are not satisfied with the fact that Serena could be his wife, so tell me guys in comment section which Pokegirl could be Ash's wife. And the next Pokemon she have is a cute Hatterene. After marrying Ash Ketchum, she deserves a strong Pokemon which can reflect fighting spirit, and it is Zarina. The next and the fifth Pokemon of Serena's team. So guys, this is PokeQuiz. You have to guess this Pokemon's name in comment section. For her sixth and the last Pokemon, it is a legendary Pokemon, and it is Zerachi. Now guys, it has been time for evolution. So Poplio will evolve into its next evolution stage, which will further evolve into its third and final evolution stage, which is a cute Primarina. Now guys, for Mega Evolution and Gigantamax, Gardevoir is the Pokemon which is going to Mega Evolve, and Hatterene is the Pokemon which is going to Gigantamax. So we see a Gigantamax Hatterene in her team. And guys, we are finally done with Serena's team, and now we are moving ahead with the next character. The famous world champion Ash Ketchum, starting with a grass type starter from Hoenn region, which is Trico. Next, he have his famous iconic electric type mouse Pikachu. The next and the third Pokemon of his team is going to be a strong Pokemon and Ultra Beast. So guys, it is Kartana. The next Pokemon of his team is going to be a strong legendary Pokemon from Kanto region, and it is a man-made legendary Pokemon. And guys, it is no other than famous Mewtwo. Next, we have a strong fighting type Pokemon from Galar region who is expert in martial arts, and it is famous Urshifu. The sixth and the last Pokemon of his team is going to be a dark mythical Pokemon, and it is Darkrai. Now it has been time for evolution. So Trico will evolve into its next evolution stage, Grovyle, which will further evolve into its third and final evolution stage in a cool Sceptile. For Mega Evolution and Gigantamax, the Pokemon which is going to Mega Evolve is famous Mega Mewtwo X, and the Pokemon which is going to Gigantamax is our fighting master Urshifu. So guys, this was Ash Ketchum's team, and now we are moving ahead with the next character. An unknown yet a really powerful trainer, Ash Ketchum's dad, starting with a cool water type starter Froakie in his team. The next Pokemon in his team is a strong Pokemon, and it is an Ultra Beast Nagandel. Next, he have a strong fire type Pokemon from Kanto region, which is both fire and flying type Pokemon which can either Gigantamax or Mega Evolve, and it is famous Charizard. The fourth Pokemon of his team is a strong fighting and steel type Pokemon which possesses a lot of aura, and this Pokemon is capable of Mega Evolution, and it is famous Lucario. Since he is such a strong trainer, he deserves a strong mythical Pokemon with a flashy speed, and it is Zeraora. The sixth and the final Pokemon of his team is going to be a strong legendary Pokemon who is also known as the Dragon of the Sky, and it is a shiny Rayquaza. Now it has been time for evolution. So Froakie will evolve into its next evolution stage, Frogadier, which will eventually evolve into its third and final evolution stage, Greninja. Not just a Greninja, a strong Bond evolved Greninja. For Mega Evolution and Gigantamax, Charizard has been Gigantamax, and the Pokemon which is going to Mega Evolve is the famous Lucario. So Lucario has been Mega Evolved. So guys, this was for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace out.